So for this lesson, we are going to create an editable icon in PowerPoint. So as you can see that I have already taken a new slider for this editable icon. Now let's go and select a blank slider for now. And then what I want to do, I want to insert a icon. Let's go first on the shape and bring the text. So inside this text, I will place my icon. Let's go back to insert again, and then let's now let's select symbol. Under this symbol you will find wingding. On that, let's go and select a icon, which for now let's take this let's select this telephone. Let's insert it. After inserting it, you can see that it have been placed over here, and we can increase its size. Let's go home and then increase its size to 8. Now I will just create another shape over it. Let's go and select the shape, and let me just select both of them, and then go back to insert. After that, let's go to shape format, and under shape format you can see that we have this marked shape. On that, we will go and use this intersect, which will intersect the color. So now if I change the colors, you will be seeing that this shape will change its color according to the color you will place, right? So through this way, very easily you can create shapes and icons. Also, if you are having the newer PowerPoint slide, you can also use this icons. On this icon you might find most of the icon that is needed. For example, let's select this t-shirt, right, and let's insert, and it will download that and it will insert you the design, right? So through this way you can use icons to your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint.